guys, welcome back to another video. Did you watch my last video in November, edible snowmen? Let's make something very similar for Christmas morning. The first Christmas breakfast I'm going to make is Eggy Christmas toast. You're going to need 2 slices of bread, 1 egg and a handful of parsley and most important, a Christmas cookie cutter. I've chosen a tree, but there are lots more: shooting star, a angel and a normal star, whichever one you like. Let's get making this breakfast. To start with, you're going to need your cookie cutter and put it on your bread, and then put your hand down and then squish it down and then wiggle it like you would with cookies. And then we'll keep this, and I'll do this to my second toast. Let's cut up the parsley with my scissors. Oh yeah, remember, the scissors are sharp. Once you've finished chopping your parsley and it looks like this, let's crack the egg in. Be careful not to get any shell in. And I've got a fork to whisk this up. And it should look like this, ready to fry. I put my frying pan on a low heat. You need a grown-up helper to help you with this. Let's put 1 piece of bread on at a time with a little Christmas tree. And I'm going to pour half the egg mixture in here. And we're going to wait for 5 minutes and then turn it over. The 5 minutes are up. Now let's turn over the toast and put it on for 2 more minutes. Be careful as it's hot. And you can see the Christmas tree has turned golden colour. Now the 2 minutes are up, let's turn this over and the egg is cooked. And I'm going to put the other piece of bread in and repeat the same steps. 5 minutes with the egg in, and then turn it over for 2 minutes. I'll just do it like that. Here's my finished Eggy Christmas toast. You might like to eat it like this, or you could put some ketchup on, or mayonnaise. There is something else you could use. Banana. Let's see what you put on your Eggy Christmas toast. Ho ho ho, Merry Christmas. Let's see what I make for my second dish. Have a guess. Hi, for my second dish you're going to need banana, 1 piece of bread and some slices of strawberries and a large cookie cutter. And have you guessed yet? If you haven't already, I'm going to make a Santa face. I've got my large circle cutter. Let's make a circle shape with the bread. Next step is to peel the banana. Then we're going to cut the banana. I'll show you how to do that. Let's cut the ends of the banana first, using a table knife. I'm going to cut my banana into very thin slices. Be careful and keep your fingers well away. I have poured in roughly the amount I need of sliced frozen strawberries. You might need more, but you can go and get some more from the freezer. Now I've got all the ingredients ready, let's make the Santa face. I'm going to put the sliced banana on the bottom to make the beard. Putting it all the way around. I've got quite a full beard there, that's enough. Next we're going to make the hat. There's my hat, and I'm just going to put a bobble on, so I'm going to use 2 sliced bananas for that. At the very top. Oh, Can you guess what I'm missing on my Santa face? Yes, you probably have guessed, eyes and a nose. So I'm going to use a little strawberry for the nose and 2 slices of banana for the eyes. Here's my Santa face. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Stay tuned to watch my next video. It will be 24 hours eating one of these colours I have used today. Why not have a guess?